Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for health and wellness. So as we know, Wix is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So first of all, you have to build with Wix editor. So as you see here, you can set up your website with the AI. So you can set up your website. For example, you can write here the answers this chat AI with this chat AI, and you can set up without AI. Okay, so let's try to set up without AI. So as you see here, you can enter the business type or your website type, health and wellness. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose health and wellness business. Let's continue. So here you have to enter the name of your business name, and enter your business address. Set your default working hours. So here you can add some services. Okay, okay, let's continue. So here you can let clients know who they can book with. We'll be able to add more details later, so you can here add the name and the email. So add your stuff, and here what else do you want to do with your business? Accept payments, online payments, send automated emails and SMS reminders, sell digital and physical products. Now let's continue to dashboard. Now go and design the site. How would you like to design a website? You can let Wix create a site for you or customize the design template. So let's get started from here. Okay, so here you can edit your information, so you can add your logo, the name of your business, and the email, the address, the phone, and also you can add social link. Here you can pick a theme you like. Okay, so you can pick a theme match your business, for example like this one. So you can try something to make your site look attractive to the customers that visit your site. So you can do whatever you like edit the fonts and the colors and the themes. All this simple stuff make your site looks attractive. So as you see here, you can choose your favorite homepage. So you can verify any homepage here you like. Okay, for example, I'm gonna choose this one. Let's continue. And let's continue. So as you see here, preparing the homepage design. So wait a few seconds. Now go to the editor to complete the design of your website. So as you see here, this is your homepage. You can add elements. So as you see, you can change the text theme, the title, the paragraph. Also you can upload and import images. The same thing with the buttons, so you can customize the themed buttons, the text and icon buttons, the payment buttons. Okay, now let's go back. Let's move on now to the first section, the header section. So you can do a quick edit. For example, you can manage the menu, horizontal menu, and you can manage business, the cart icon and the mini cart. Okay, now let's move on to the next section. So as you see here, we can change this section background, change the strip background, the color, and also you can change the image if you want. You can generate another paragraph. Okay, for example, if you want to regenerate another paragraph, just create AI text. So you can use one of these paragraphs here. For example, I'm gonna use the first one. Also, you can regenerate this text here. Okay, now let's move on to the next. This is the subscribe form. So nothing special here, the same thing. So you can just change the design of this section. You can change the email file title and the submit button. Okay, so let's move on to the next section. So this is the services section, or if you want to manage the services, just go here, manage services. Okay, so as you see, you can edit these services here, manage the categories, and also you can add a new service. So you can edit any service here you want. So that's it. After this, you can just save this place and go back. Okay, so as you see, you can add the tagline, the description, the duration, the buffer time, the prices. You can customize the prices options, the payments, and the location. Okay, so after this, you can save this place and go back to complete the design. Okay, this is the about section, I think. Okay, so you can do a quick edit also here. So nothing special, you can just change the section background, the design, the title, and the paragraph. Okay, let's move on to the next section. Okay, so as you see here, nothing special here. You can change the image if you want. You can change the title and the paragraph. The same thing here. So you can, for example, talk about something about like testimonials, or something about the company. So if you want to add something new, you can just click here, add section. So here you can select one of these sections here and select the design of any section you want. So that's it. This is the last section here, the footer section. So you can just edit the company name for the copyright, the paragraph, and the email in this paragraph, and your company name here. Okay, so that's it. After this, you can publish your website. Okay, so as you see now, you can start selling, you can start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.